Damn work truck. I'll let you touch it if you want.
What?
That was gonna fly up. What's up, homies? Welcome back to another video. Okay, first of all, not in the garage as usual. We're at the track. My boy Tyler. Okay, my bad. I thought they were here trying to. I was like, they're gonna beat up Tyler. Anyways, we're here at the track because Tyler's trying to beat his goal of running a 12.9 or below at the quarter mile here at Texas Motorplex. Motor Speedway. What was it called here? I always forget.
Texas Motorplex.
Texas Motorplex. Look, man, the names are very close. Okay, I get confused all the time. Really... All right, homies. I'm gonna leave y'all here with Tyler. That way he can narrate with y'all when he's doing, you know, a pull. So, leave you to it. This boy Tyler has used my bed as a storage unit. Damn work truck. We got a pretty cool lineup right here. We got the 5.0 truck. We got this 5.0 right here. And we got a Shelby over there. And we got Tyler's 2-valve over there. But yeah, homies, hopefully the homie can finally get this car to the 12s. Man, here it is, man. This is the last run he can do. We're hoping for that 12.9. That's what he's been aiming for all year.
The next day.
Check it out.
You could pop it with the...
Nah, heck no. I wish I could. Pop it right there. It's on the bottom of the front. I'll let you touch it if you want.
What?
Chill. Yeah, 3.6 V6, 4-cylinder. I know, right? There's so much space. I know, bro. This thing is pretty big.
Space?
Bro, there is space. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
You don't think there's space in here?
Hell no. Well, maybe.
Alright, let's pop your hood. Let's pop your hood. Tell the people who you are. Tell the people who you are. Who's the Instagram?
DVRK3V.
Devark.
Dark 3.
Alright.
Look. Everything's right there.
3-valve, pro charge right here. That's what's up. Damn, bro, you kind of leaking right there.
Swear.
Nah, just playing. That's what you get, bro. You really got scared because it's real.
Dude, it messed up my paint. Look at this.
Low key, bro.
That was you.
Yeah, this dude's whole thing was leaking and stuff.
It was leaking too. What? Oh, it's a lot.
Yeah, she better. No.
Puro troqueando, puro takuache,
She like my truck. Yeah, she like my truck.
She said that's a stock ass truck.
Yeah, she heard what you said?
Yeah.
What'd she say? She says this talk ass truck. What you know about this? Hey, she liked my truck. She stopped to say something about it. Whatever she said. Hey, let me see yours. Let me see yours. So this right here is the reason why I got a truck. Was this man right here, bro? No kidding. This truck is too clean. Look at this. What color is it again? Like a smoke gray?
Dark spiral gray.
Fine, boy.
Yeah.
You're ugly. Man, this thing is clean. So if y'all don't know, we're in the Fabrication Yard here in Dallas, Texas. It's a really cool yard. You can take photos and all that stuff. So I was taking photos for the homies. You can see that in the vlog right now. And I'll drop their ads so you guys can follow them. Badass builds. Super cool 3-valve, man. Look at that interior with the carbon. Bye, homies. I'm gonna make my way to another place. Alright, homies, so we're back in the garage as always. Let me know what you guys think about this short vlog. I'm not used to doing this type of stuff. I used to do vlogs when I first began the channel, but it's not something I really like doing. I really like doing detailed videos with the gimbal, you know, information, all that stuff. But I have to get used to making vlogs because I have a big announcement coming up. It's way bigger than the truck announcement. You guys are gonna love it, I promise you. We already hit 4,000 subscribers and I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. This channel has done just, I don't know, man. It's just so awesome seeing that. I've only made this channel for one video. Really, it was just for one video, just to help with my people on Instagram, all my followers on there. And now, you know, we're, you know, a lot of videos deep, a lot of subscribers deep. So I greatly appreciate you guys. This year, my goal is 10,000 subscribers, and it's already 2023. So, you know, we have a lot of time. We have the whole year. So comment, like, subscribe as always, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, let me know if you like this short vlog with all this content. Usually on the weekends, I go to the drag strip, hang out with friends, car shows, etc. So yeah, let me know, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.